and to my New York vlog. My name is RazeAstro and I am here. I can't believe it. It's incredible. Like, it's surreal that I'm here and I'm having a bit of a out of body experience. Every time I go outside I'm like, is this real life? Like, I'm pinching myself. But I'm here for the next week. This happened on day one. This happened on day two.
Waiting out front, and the soon-to-be victim leaves the home with what appears to be flowers in his hand. But before
What a dream! 2 days because I didn't know what to say and I was just so excited. But today I'm going to take you guys with me. I think I'm going off to Central Park now. Just going to walk around, go to the Met a bit. I don't think I'm going to go into the museum because I've been there before. So I'm just going to sit on the steps a bit. And then I'm going to come back because I need to let Phineas out. Phineas is the dog that I keep showing on the clips. I'm currently living with an uncle of mine, and we are in this beautiful apartment, and Phineas is his dog, so I've been having a lot of time I've been spending a lot of time with Phineas, but he's going for a walk with some dogs and I need to come and just let him out, and that's happening at 12. It is currently 10 past 10, so I need to get moving just so I can go out, come back, maybe have some breakfast, and then see how the day goes. I also want to go to Brooklyn today, do some shopping in Midtown, I think it's called, like go to Missouri, go to Glossier because I've never been and we don't have those in South Africa. So that's basically what my day looks like. Today I'm going to take you with me. Look at those eyes. Hello, Phineas. Oh, you're going for a walk soon. You're going for a walk, big boy. Look at his eyes. He's so beautiful. He's so beautiful. Oh, it's cold. It's cold.
So also notice in the picture a segue to the history of Harlem. Do you notice the bridge under construction? Of course, that is the one and only Brooklyn Bridge. Why on earth do you think they put a picture with the Brooklyn Bridge on it right here at Harlem Hospital? Each group thought the other had it better. But when you really think about it, even though they had a today, still practicing at the Harlem YMCA. Does anyone know who's beautiful? 6. Oh no, I'm sure she loves her though. 6-pack from the 80s, from the 90s. Bright red. She loves her. It's almost like a modern day blues. If anyone likes the blues, Bessie Smith, check out Charlotte. All right, how are you today?
Okay. All right.
So this is where you used to have a place known as Tilly's. And today it's called Bill's Place, but it has been in operation since the Prohibition. So this is the Brownstone Row. Actually was the place for the NAACP, National Social, as well as the lobby.
I definitely will. I even said it was taking on when they told me they were here. It's so quiet. Always pretend like you know where you're going and always watch people. Morning, I'm up very early. Okay, it's not even 9 a.m. but it's early, and I have another walking tour today in the village, and it starts at 9:45, and the trains are so slow on the weekends.
This is 72nd Street.
It's so quiet.
Dodge. They're gone now. They're in Los Angeles. The Dodge used to be located right here. Not this building, but we see before this one. The Dodge next to it. In 1945, Jackie's, he was...
Got you walking in the rain. Here's my dad.